Does anyone even have Apple Pay?
I have Apple Pay.
Why?
I don't.
That
sounds
so
My debit
like
card's on my
sketchy.
app.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If someone gets into your phone,
No, it's like face.
I brought
face locked. Guess what? Ginger will eat glue.
No,
So
you don't even know her name.
Yeah.
guys,
No.
I don't know why I come up with that. That's your.
At least my horse is not named Spice.
At least my horse isn't fake. Alyssa's YouTube.
Horse glue stick.
I know you don't know where we live, but we use horses as transportation. So like that should give you like a little clue as to where we live.
How many horses did it take for you to get to school every day? Because that's how we like get to school.
One horse, but like she would take breaks.
Actually,
at,
I took
water.
a donkey.
Okay. I had a horse for every single day of the
What's
week.
the
history of
Like a pony.
Because I could get there in like 5 seconds. So.
That's what I'm saying.
Liz lives really close to school. Hannah and I and Olivia don't.
That's
So
why I had one for every single
My horse is just lazy.
they don't get
They
tired.
have breaks and they can play. And their names from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
That's smart, so you didn't forget, because I know that's hard for you. We're in Red Rock Canyon.
We just passed.
Sorry, I like totally just checked you. I was trying
okay,
to.
yeah,
But I was like. My friend beats me up in Red Rock Canyon. That's it. That's the whole video. Look at it out here.
Take a picture right here.
Olivia and I might be hiking in Air Force Ones, maybe by chance.
Just maybe
Don't look.
that's all that I brought.
Yeah, that might also be the same case for me. I thought about bringing tennis shoes, but then I was like, this will be fine. Last summer, I did a 9-mile hike through Yellowstone, and most of it was so pretty, and like you went by like geysers and stuff, but there was like this like 3-mile like span where there was just nothing, and it was so hot and no shade, and there was like nothing to even look at, and that sucked. Rocks. I love rocks. I love them. Climb up the side of that and then up here. Yeah, like where you are right there. You just have to like hold. There you go. Hey guys, look where I am. I'm on top of this big rock. Yay!
I'm up here now.
We're on top of this big rock. Look at all these rocks. I'm waiting for Faith to get down.
I'm sorry. I got down now. I'm down.
No, you're fine. I'll do it one-handed.
Okay, do it.
I'm too quick. It's my best friends and me and the canyon.
I just can't think about it. Who wants to be a goat?
Do it.
A goat. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Tell us when.
I'm putting the timer on.
Hey guys, look, we found a donkey.
That's the only donkey we're gonna get.
He's so cute.
burrows?
We're trying to find the burrows.
And apparently a burro is a donkey, for those of you who don't know. Because I got attacked for not knowing.
It's an ant chip.
They're calling the burros.
That sounds.
Do it again, Liv.
Yeah. Oh, look, they're all coming this way. It's working. I just can't show you guys.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6. Believe it or not, we used to be in show choir.
And really
Varsity show choir, and we went grand champs. Okay, we don't have 7-Elevens where we're from, so we're gonna try Slurpees for the first time. Grace loves them.
We usually can't take our horses this far.
Yeah, normally our horses just don't make it to the 7-Eleven.
Yeah, they
Far
can't go
away.
that far. What flavor are you thinking?
I'm not. Oh, I'm getting cherry.
Ooh, Alyssa.
Whoa, look at it.
Oh, what is it doing?
Is it gonna stop?
We aren't from here.
We obviously are. What happened? My hair's red.
Oh, Alyssa.
This was my Slurpee experience. My hand has dyed red. You can literally see like where it was dripping. Like you can see the streams of it. Go right? In the middle? What the? We are in the mountains. And Mount Charleston. I'm so tired.
I am too, but like it's kind of just relaxing.
I know, like I've just been like taking turns between looking out the window and then closing my eyes because they're really heavy. But we're at Mount Charleston. What? We've got big mountains. Our minivan isn't loving the altitude and the heat though. It's okay, he can do it. The little minivan that could. She's a vlogger.
She's a vlogger, she's a mountain star.
She's a vlogger, she's in the mountains. There's a horse.
A horse.
Hey, buddy.
Imagine like instead of deer, like you hit a horse.
Or imagine hitting a.
I want to see. I never. Can you imagine the child horses?
Okay.
Imagine hitting a calf. I can't.
Just was driving, okay, and it ran in front of me like a deer. Like it's just where we live. Where I live, there's lots of cows.
She lives on a farm.
What color was it?
Dude, it ran in front of me so fast.
there's
and I
houses
did it
up
so
here.
fast. I don't even know. I think black.
Oh, there's a house up there.
Imagine committing cow slaughter. I have done it.
Whoa. Holy crap. Oh.
Good, Tressa, good.
Oh my, look at those.
You don't just drive around mountains like that.
She was going fast.
Whoa. You could just see that lady chilling in her house.
Like a roller coaster.
This is fun. I just feel bad for the van.
The van's killing it.
They're just chilling. Wild horses are just weird to think about.
Yeah, like horses are just tamed animals to me. They're not wild.
Yeah. Sunscreen check. Hiking. Welcome to our hike.
Okay, GoPro and bucket hat.
Yeah, I'm a hiker. We're going up like a pretty steep road right now. Look at this stream. It goes through that log. And this one. They're so cute. Rock, rock. Rock, rock, rock.
Rock.
Big rock.
Rock.
Log. Yikes.
See the little one.
It won't break.
Yeah, I like Liv's way. Me too. I'm getting.
The wilderness must be explored.
Oh, butterflies. Where?
Where?
There's 3 of them. 4. Oh yeah, that's your sign. You feel 3.
Oh my
There's
god.
4 of them.
Oh, they're yellow.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, they might be.
Oh my gosh. There's like 10.
There's so many more.
Oh my god. Oh, they're pretty. Oh,
it's so pretty.
the butterflies are so pretty. Back to the trail. We just made these rocks to spell fonts.
Yeah.
That's our group chat name. Between you and me, we're not totally sure if we're supposed to be up this far.
Yeah, we'll show them the sign soon.
Look at the sign. This is the reason why we're not totally sure if we're supposed to be up there. It says Las Vegas paving, private property, no trespassing beyond this point, or something, visitors, something, violators, or whatever.
I'm covering
But
base.
also, this isn't Las Vegas, so we're not totally sure, but it's probably fine. Now my hands are like very dirty from touching all those rocks. I'm gonna go through this thing. We're going in tonight. Oh. Hey guys. Oh, my shoes are gonna get soaked.
And she says hi.
Here, Alyssa.
Package.
From me? Guess what we did that for? No
Nothing.
reason. Video.
Hi, followers.
We'll be going on this log and that way. We're gonna climb up this tree and then this tree. Crap, I almost just fell. Okay.
Slippery. I'm scared to go on this one. I don't want to go on this one. I went down. I went that one with traction.
Yeah, that.
Oh, I wanna go up there.
I know. We could crawl.
Monte, you coming up?
Oh, there's my.
Alyssa.
Don't put too much weight on that. Smooth enough.
Pretty smooth.
Alyssa, you be careful.
This is.
I promise it's not as slippery as you think.
Yeah.
It's really not that slippery up here. Like I could keep walking.
Come in, Alyssa.
It's not good.
I'll just go this way because I haven't been this way.
I will direct your feet in case they slip.
I'm good.
Hey.
Thank you.
We're getting rolled ice cream. What she said.
Psych. They don't open till 3.
Just kidding. It was close.
So we're going to the Cinnaholic and Alyssa's not getting anything.
we think. I don't know. I'll see what they have there.
They have pineapple whip.
I got watermelon. Okay, let's try. Oh, that's good.
Ask the guy if he's ever had cinnamon rolls and chili.
Game changer.
Looks so good, Grace.
Go for it. Yeah.